Okay, this is the report from the National Weather Service in regards to the East Nottingham Township-Oxford, Pennsylvania tornado. They gave it a rating of EF2, peak winds of 115 miles per hour, path length 6.09 miles, path width 350 yards. No fatalities, no injuries. Start time of 4:15, East Nottingham Township, Chester County, Pennsylvania. End time of 4:22, Upper Oxford Township, Chester County, Pennsylvania. This is the path that tornado took. So it says an embedded supercell in a quasi-linear feature produced a tornado near Oxford, Pennsylvania. Path of damage began in cropland near the intersection of 5th Street and Waterway Road. Tree damage continued northeast of here. Significant damage occurred in the Wiltshire development. On Slate Hill Drive, one house lost a southeast-facing exterior wall. Another house lost a significant amount of siding and a portion of the roof. Tree damage continued in a northeast path. At Hickory Hill Road, there was damage to the roof of a commercial outbuilding, and a recreational trailer was flipped on its side. Sporadic tree and crop damage was noted from drone footage. This portion of the path was inaccessible by vehicle. Continuing to the northeast, a metal storage building at a business along Reedville Road had wall and roof damage. Further northeast, there was damage to turkey pens near the intersection of Baltimore Pike and West Branch Road. Additional tree and power pole damage continued in a northeast path. The last damage noted along this continuous path was exterior wall damage to a farm outbuilding and crop damage along Street Road near Route 10. Sporadic tree damage was observed near Route 10 and Ewing Road, but this does not appear to be in a continuous path from the other damage, so this may have been caused by straight line winds. The National Weather Service would like to thank Mr. Lou Ruh for his assistance with this survey. So you can see here, just to recap, 4:15 to 4:22, about 7 minutes. EF2 rating, 115 mile an hour winds, path length of 6.09 miles, 350 yards wide. Started here, EF0, EF0, 1, EF2, EF0, EF0, went along, EF1, EF0, back to a 1, and then ended with a 1 when it lifted. Okay, so this is the second tornado for the day on this was September 1st, the remnants of Hurricane Ida. So stay tuned. Watch out for the other videos. Of the other 5 tornadoes coming up.